Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on POCO X6 Pro. And let's start with translation. You can translate into basically any other language, and your Google Assistant will also speak out loudly those translations. And it goes like this: Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's lot. By the way, I can never.
That was wrong translation, but anyway, that was bugged out. Most of the time it works fine. Next is on how to count calories. You can count calories in your food by asking Google, hey Google, how many calories in a burger?
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay. Next one will be on how to find your phone when you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house. You can ask with the phrase, where are you? Hey Google, where are you?
Today has been great so far.
Your phone will make a sound and it should be easy to find. Next one will be on how to send messages, and you can also say what should be included in the message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts. Then next one is on how to call anyone from your contacts as well. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Okay Google. Call my mom.
Alright, what's your mother?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.